Hey guys, welcome to another video. This one is going to be an airsoft pistol review. Now, it didn't come out brown because I ended up spray painting it because I was bored and I didn't have anything to do. This is a dollar store pistol. It's called the Responder 911. It is an M1911. Sorry I'm not showing the gun, but this is a M1911. The package came with 70.2 gram BBs, and it shoots 280 FPS. Now this is the magazine. It holds 12 BBs, and pretty useful when you're out on the battlefield, especially when you run out of BBs in your primary weapon. And these are .12 BBs. They're compatible for all airsoft type guns, but they're only .12 gram. Has 1,000.12 gram BBs. And yeah, they're ultrasonic BBs, and I added the other BBs in with it that way. I added a whole bunch of BBs in here. It's distributed by Dollar General, and this gun shoots pretty well for an airsoft gun from the Dollar General. And that is it. If you liked the video, hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. Catch you on the flip side.